Hello, how are you? I hope you are good. Here we came up again. Today we are talking about a new sound which is very different from the others because it contains of 3 letters. Here we have IGH. IGH together become I. For example, we have L, which is le, and at the end we have t. When we add IGH, it becomes light. And here we have more examples.
Night. I sleep at night. Light. I turn the lights on. Sight. Sight is one of the 5 senses. Fight. 2 boys are fighting. I never fight with my friends. Right. The car turns right. Bright. The stars bright in the sky. Night. The night is very brave.
Review time. Let's make a review. Can you tell me what's this? Very good. This is light. And what's this? Sight. Well done. Sight. This is very clear. Night. We sleep at night. And this is fight. Very good. Fight. I can see 2 boys are fighting. That is very bad. Night. Well done. This is night. And the last one is right. Very good. Right. Story time. There's a brave knight in a dark night, without any lights, goes to see his 8 friends, to tell them, don't fight, never fight. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.